Welcome back to eCreativeAid. What happens when you brush your hair regularly, and what types of brushes and combs are suitable for your hair? You don't have to be a beauty expert to know that brushing your hair detangles it. There are other benefits to brushing your hair you must know. In addition to detangling your hair, it helps in regulating breakage. It also stimulates the scalp and increases blood flow. When we increase blood flow, it means increased oxygen and micronutrients supply to the scalp, making your hair healthier. Combing also stimulates the oil glands in the scalp to produce sebum, which maintains the pH balances of the scalp and coats the hair shaft to keep it moisturized. Brushing your hair also exfoliates the scalp, which keeps the pores unclogged and removes dead skin cells accumulated on the scalp. We have to keep in mind which types of combs and brushes should be used depending on your hair type and purpose. Let's start talking about the first type, which are tiny boar bristle brushes. These are popular because of their ability to redistribute the natural healthy oils in the scalp, which enhances hair health and creates smooth, shiny locks. These brushes are great because they have soft bristles that your hair glides through, leading to less breakage during styling. They are also great for massaging the scalp. 100% boar bristle brush with soft bristles is a good choice for people with fine or thinning hair and also aging hair. These brushes aren't vegan and they're from animals like boars. There are brushes made from parts of other animals such as goats. The second type are detangler brushes, and these are good for all hair types, even the thickest, curliest hair, and they can be used on both wet and dry hair. They minimize damage from brushing knotted hair, and their thin, flexible bristles make it easier to painlessly get knots out of kids' hair. The next type are cushion brushes, and they have soft rubber bases and stiff wire or plastic bristles. The stiff bristles are effective at stimulating the scalp and are good for brushing out dandruff or buildup from hairstyling products. Thermal brushes are round or paddle brushes with barrel made from a material that conducts heat, such as ceramic or titanium. This can speed up drying, and these are generally used by hairstylists or people who frequently use a blow dryer. Nylon bristle brushes are made from a synthetic material that reduces static and effectively detangles hair or detangles thick hair. Some brushes combine nylon bristles with boar's hair bristles to both reduce static and detangle while also getting the health benefits and natural shine that boar bristles offer. Curved brushes are ergonomically designed to fit the shape of a human head. Most are made of lightweight plastic and contain vents, which make them a good choice for travel, the gym, or any time you want to dry your hair quickly. The next type are round brushes, which are a good choice for blow drying hair and styling loose waves. They're fully circular, which makes it easier to blow dry the hair under, resulting in curls or waves, depending on the size of the brush. We also have smoothing brushes, and they have soft boar or nylon bristles, and they can be used for creating sleek styles and eliminating pumps when pulling back into a ponytail or a bun. The wide base of these brushes enable them to cover a lot of ground quickly while smoothing hair. They're a great choice for people with long straight hair. The next type are vented brushes, and these vented brushes are best for quickly blow drying, soaking wet hair. The vents allow the hair to flow through, reaching all layers of hair. Vented brushes can reduce static during blow drying because they allow heat to flow through the brushes, helping to eliminate static and frizz. The next type are ionic brushes, and they're set to reduce static and frizz by adding negative ions into the hair. And metal combs may fight static as well. Next, we have teasing brushes, which are small and designed to be used at the crown to add volume and texture to fine or limp hair, and it can create the illusion of fuller hair, which may be attractive to those experiencing hair loss. The next type are rat tail brushes and combs, and they are teasing brushes with long, thin stem that can be used for separating and lifting sections of hair to tease and create a more natural volume. And last but not least, we have wide tooth combs, which have thick teeth with space between them, and they can be used on thick or curly hair when wet. And this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.